Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can perform the HygieSteam function in the SAECO Grinder Deluxe. In the first step we have to open the status. Then select the HygieSteam. And as you can see, now we have to configure that you want to start the hygiene steam. Click on the play. As you can see, there you have the short video. Now we have to connect the milk tube, so just give me a second. Of course, you should find it in the accessory to your appliance. Now we have to put the container under the coffee spout. And now click on the play. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.